Every year, the cold of winter melts away and spring brings a new beginning. A new beginning is never easy. These colorful flowers generate happiness, recreation, and makes everyone feel stressless. The love for the fresh flowers taught me the tricks to keep them fresh for longer. Just 1 tablespoon of sugar in 1 liter of water is enough to keep them fresh for longer. Fresh flowers can ignite creativity, inspiration, and brings out new ideas and ability to solve any kind of problems. For all plant lovers, spring brings inspiration and relaxation. It's time to get out there and take care of our plants. Breathe with them so deeply that the fragrance must touch your soul. Flowers don't worry about how they are going to bloom. They just open up and turn towards the sun, which makes them look so beautiful. I'm plucking some of them for my home temple. These beautiful hydrangeas symbolizes love, harmony and peace. A sunshine and soft breeze together, which comes through my little garden, makes me feel the perfect spring. I'm gonna take out our woolen cloths and rearrange sunglasses, summer clothes in right place. I already washed the woolen cloths very well and sun dried for 2 whole days. I'm keeping it inside a cotton bag which allows the air circulation, and also I'm gonna add some naphthalene balls. These naphthalene balls are capable to keep the cloths away from pests and moths. During washing I also add some essential oils to have a nice fragrance. Let's prepare a honey strawberry sandwich. These days, strawberries are available so fresh. A dazzle of honey makes a perfect sandwich. So, no need of jam or cream. In the same way, let's prepare another sandwich. That's a Q honey sandwich. Children, they learn what they observe. So she is going to prepare a roach, paper roach, inspired from my strawberry roach. Nature is a natural fuel for the soul. Just 10 to 20 minutes of fresh air from the nature can make us feel relaxed and refreshed. So we are going for a nature walk and enjoy the spring beauty. This place is very close to our place and the natural scenic beauty always relax everyone. These shaded leaves makes the earth looking perfect golden. Children learn what they observe, and now this beautiful scenery is being inspired by the beautiful nature.